Every second, someone, somewhere is making money on the internet. And while millions of people believe it's because they found a secret website, a hidden strategy, or the perfect side hustle, the truth is much simpler and much more powerful. Because the internet never made money easier, it completely changed what the world pays for. Most people don't realize that they're searching for opportunities using rules that belong to a different generation. And while they're chasing shortcuts, an entirely new economy has been quietly growing around them, creating careers that didn't exist, businesses that couldn't exist, and opportunities that most people walk past every single day without even noticing. Once you see the difference, you can't unsee it. Most people are looking for the next opportunity, the next skill, or the next way to make money online. Still, they rarely stop to ask a more important question. Why do some people seem to recognize opportunities before everyone else even notices them? Because the biggest advantage on the internet isn't knowing a secret website or finding a shortcut. It's understanding how the world is changing and knowing where value is moving before the crowd arrives. And once you understand that shift, you'll start seeing the internet differently. Not as a place where people search for money, but as a place where people create value in ways that were impossible before. For years, we've been told that the internet has made making money easier. And in some ways, that's true, because today, anyone with a laptop can reach customers, build an audience, or start something from almost anywhere in the world. But here's the part most people miss. The internet didn't remove the challenge of success. It changed the challenge completely. The old world rewarded access, location, and resources. But the new world increasingly rewards skills, ideas, and the ability to solve problems for people you may never even meet. That's why millions of people are looking at the same internet and seeing completely different things. Because some people see distractions while others see opportunities. For most of history, opportunity had a physical address. Your location could determine your career, your customers, and even the limits of what you could achieve. Then the internet started breaking those limits one by one, connecting people across countries and allowing skills to travel further than ever before. A programmer in one part of the world can create software for people thousands of miles away. A designer can build a career without moving cities. And a creator can build a global audience without needing permission from traditional gatekeepers. But this wasn't just a technological change. It was an economic shift. Because for the first time in history, one person's knowledge, creativity, or skill could reach millions of people without a massive organization behind them. And that is the new world we are living in. A world where the biggest opportunities don't always belong to the people with the most resources, but often to the people who understand how to create the most value. You can see this change happening everywhere, but many people miss it because they are looking for money instead of looking for the systems creating it. Software companies are building tools that serve millions of people without ever opening a physical store. Creators are turning attention into businesses, and skilled individuals are working with companies across the world without ever stepping into the same room. A person with a laptop can now build something that reaches more people than some traditional businesses could reach decades ago. Not because the internet created an easier path, but because it created a bigger playing field. And this pattern keeps appearing in every corner of the digital economy, from artificial intelligence to online education, from remote work to digital products. Because the people who understand the internet are not just using it to consume, they are using it to create. That is the difference between the old way of thinking and the new one. The old question was, where can I find an opportunity? The new question is, what value can I create that the world needs? Because the internet rewards the people who can answer that question. And that is why the biggest opportunities today are not always hidden. They are simply misunderstood. The biggest mistake people make is thinking the internet is a place where they can find money. But the people creating the biggest opportunities understand something different. The internet is not a money machine. It is a value machine. It rewards people who can solve problems, build useful things, and create something that others need. And once you understand that, you stop chasing every new trend and start looking for the skills, ideas, and opportunities that can survive the future. Because the future will not belong to the people who wait for opportunities to appear. It will belong to the people who learn how to create them. The internet never made success automatic, and it never removed the need for hard work. What it did was change the rules, giving more people than ever before the ability to create value and reach the world. So the question is not, can you make money online? The better question is, what value can you create in a world that is changing faster than ever? Because once you understand that, you stop searching for the next opportunity. You start becoming someone who can recognize it. Today you learned that the internet didn't make money easier, it made it different. But that raises a much bigger question. If the rules have changed, then what are the new rules? That's exactly what we're uncovering next. Welcome to Nomex.